With the new enhanced filters on DVD Netflix, finding your next favorite movie is thrillingly fast. To use our powerful filters, choose a category, then click the filter button on the right. Tame a long list by checking the boxes. There are hundreds of filters available. The results update instantly, and you can sort them with a click. You can use filters all over the site. If you're browsing your favorite genre and need some help, use filters to narrow down the choices. Filter as much as you'd like to find the perfect movie in seconds. If you change your mind, click the X next to any filter to remove or replace it in a snap. Or use Clear All to reset the list. You can even use our new filter categories right in the search box. Want to watch a movie from the year you were born? Just type it in. Have a favorite genre that isn't on our main list? Try the search box. And adding titles to your queue is faster than ever. Just click Add right in the instant results. We even make it easy to add entire TV seasons with a single click. With enhanced filters on DVD Netflix, finding what to watch next is easier than finding the remote. Try it today.